back to another episode of Stitch on Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute little Ami samosa in honor of Ramadan starting. I hope you enjoy it. It's super easy. It's Tunisian crochet, and let's get started. So what you're gonna need today is what I'm using is Paint Box yarns, cotton Aran yarn in soft fudge and black, and I'm using my 5.5 mm. This is a double-ended Tunisian crochet hook by Clover USA, but you can use a straight one as well. I just found this to be a little bit easier. And then you'll need 2 safety eyes. I use like a brownish color, a yarn needle, scissors, measuring tape, and some polyfill. So first what you're going to do is chain 15 with your soft fudge. Alright, so chain 15, and then you're just going to do your foundation row. Oops. Alright, so I've chained 15, done the foundation. I'm going to do a return pass, and then basically what you're going to do is Tunisian simple stitch for until you reach 9.5 inches approximately. So I just love how simple this is, and it works up super quickly, and it's really cute. So I'm gonna meet you back. I'm gonna do just simple stitch across for until the piece measures 9.5 inches, and I will meet you back once I have that to show you the next step. Alright, so my piece measures approximately 9.5 inches. So now what you're going to do is just bind off, Tunisian bind off. So first I'm just going to do my last return pass. And then we just want to do the normal bind off. So if you are not familiar with Tunisian crochet and you'd like some help, I have some beginner tutorials. I've linked them throughout, so if you need help with the simple stitch, you can click the eye above, and then if you want to know how to do the bind off, if you want to watch a more detailed video, you can click the eye as well. There are 2 eyes in the corner there. So alright, so here we go, done a bind off. I'm gonna leave a long tail to help me sew the piece together, so maybe like a 12 to 18, probably 18 inches roughly, and then just pull out the remaining. Alright, so now you have this. This is pretty much like your pastry sheet. You're going to flip it around because this is your wrong side, and what you're going to do is you're going to turn it over so it looks like this. You have your wrong side, and then you're going to start folding. So first fold it over like this to make a triangle, and then flip it over. This is basically how I make my samosas, my mom's recipe. You just flip them over, you know, flip it over again this way, and then I'm gonna flip it one more time like this. So then you're gonna end up with a little corner here, and this is just gonna go over like that, and then we're just gonna sew. Take some polyfill, use very little because you don't need that much. So you have your polyfill in there, then you're just going to roll. So you're gonna roll this way first, so you have a little triangle here, and then you're gonna roll like this, and then you're gonna roll this way, and then you're gonna roll like that, and then you're just gonna have it like this. So then you're gonna take your tail and you're just gonna sew around, basically. You're gonna sew around this way. I'm gonna sew around this way. So I'm gonna take my yarn needle, and just sew everything together. So the way I do this is basically I take this, I'm gonna go through one of the simple stitches and then just do that. So go through a simple stitch and do this like that. It's okay to leave this little, it's just like a pocket. I'm just gonna sew this part, the bind off edge, okay? And then there we go. Just gonna go through and do this like that. Just gonna keep going until I've sewn all of this. Right, so I have a little corner piece here left. Just gonna sew that as well. Okay. All around. Yeah, there we go. There's our little samosa. Take this yarn and weave it through, and I am gonna close up this edge here, just this part, or the top where you can, where the polyfill is gonna. Okay. Last bit. There you go. It's all sewed up. Now we just want to, I'm gonna take So there's a little pocket here, but that's okay. We're just gonna take, and then you'll see there's a little pocket here, and that's where you're going to embroider. Attach your safety eyes and embroider. Take our safety eyes and just somewhere at the top here, probably in the third row here, just attach your safety eyes. So I'm gonna do it here, and alternatively, if you feel safer, you can embroider eyes in these spots. So just make sure you line them up like that, and then I'm just gonna take my backing, put them in. Oops, my washers, put it in. Ta-da! There you have the eyes. Now the last part left to do is embroider the little mouth. And alright, so I forgot this, and we're just gonna poke it through probably, and just, yeah, just probably cut it. This is my favorite part of amigurumi. You can just weave your ends into the amigurumi, and there you go. It's all hidden, it's in there. And then we're gonna do the mouth. So cut like a, I want to say like a 6 to 8 inch piece of your black yarn. You don't need very much, you can use scrap yarn. You could even do the mouth red. I just chose black. And then look at your eyes, line up. So I'm going to do a little V over here. Just into these two. And then remember, you can just weave that into the, okay, and then another V on this side, going through these two. Yeah, just go through two over here. And then that's it. There's your little samosa. Then we're just gonna weave in the end into the back and just cut. I do the same here. Just gonna weave it into the back. And then just cut. And just cut your yarn, pull it a little bit and cut, and then pull it a little bit and cut. And there we go. There we go. There's a little samosa friend. So excited about this guy. Alright, and stay tuned for some other culturally inspired foods that I hope to release. This is a free pattern on my blog, and you have this tutorial, but you can also upgrade for the PDF. So here you go. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.